Okay, check it out. So today we've got, I believe this is the Rad City Step-Thru, 4 or 5, one of those. So the problem with this bike, it turns out to be the wiring harness here. So if you come around this way, I'll show you. We have a wiring harness hooked up. This is the old one. So see how the headlight works right now?
Yes.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the display off and I'll plug in the other harness so that we can show you. So see, this is the new one which we're going to replace. So we'll unplug this. Now here's the old one. So we'll plug the display back in. I have another controller that's not for this bike plugged into it that I know is tested and good. So when we plug back in on the original setup, if you come here, I'll show you. I'm going to turn it back on. Oh, I think I got to plug in down here first. So plug the power back in. It can be tricky on these rads down here. And then I'm going to plug the display back in. Now, the display is going to turn on. We're going to hold up in mode to turn the light on. You can see the motor on the bike works, but the headlight
Not working.
doesn't work at all. So the problem here was the wiring harness. And sometimes the wiring harnesses go bad. They do have intermittent issues. And if you replace the wiring harness and you still have some issues like that, it could end up being the controller. Controller seems good on this bike, so we're just going to replace the wiring harness for now, and it'll be good to go.